If you're a teacher looking to bring AI into your classroom, here's the secret. The magic isn't in the AI. It's in the prompt you give it. Prompts are how we talk to AI, and the better we are at crafting them, the more useful, accurate, and creative the responses become. When it comes to teaching math, prompts can do more than just solve problems. They can help explain concepts, create real-world scenarios, and adapt learning to your students' needs. So let's keep it simple and practical. Here's a prompt framework you can start using today. Set the role, tell the AI who it should act as, state the objective, be clear about what you want, add context, include grade level, topic, or constraints, specify output format, tell it exactly how to deliver the response. Now, let's see this in action for a K through 12 math classroom. Try these prompts after watching the video. In this example, you are teaching middle school algebra. Act as a middle school math teacher. Create a step-by-step explanation of how to solve a two-step equation, such as 3x plus 5 equals 14. Explain it in simple language, use an everyday analogy, and then provide 3 practice problems with answers. Why it works. The role, math teacher, sets tone and clarity. The objective is precise, the context makes it age appropriate, and the output format ensures it's useful in class immediately. Let's try one for a high school geometry topic. You are a high school geometry tutor. Design a real-world problem where students must calculate the area of a triangle using Heron's formula. The problem should involve a sports field or school setting. Provide a worked example and then 2 new practice problems for students to try. Why it works. The prompt pushes AI to connect math to a familiar environment, making it engaging and memorable for students. Whether you are homeschooling, in public school, or private school, when you craft prompts like this, you're not just getting an answer, you're building learning experiences. You can use great prompts to generate differentiated practice problems, create real-world applications for math concepts, support students who need alternative explanations. The more you experiment, the better your prompts and your students' engagement will get. Now, here's your challenge. Before the day ends, write 1 prompt using this framework for your next math lesson. Try it out and see how your students respond. Then share what happened, post it online, email it to a colleague, or drop it in the comments so we can all learn together. And if you found this helpful, hit like, share it with another teacher, and subscribe. If you want me to cover subject-specific prompts, let me know, and I will create a video and create a downloadable document. Let's turn AI from a buzzword into a classroom ally, 1 prompt at a time. Until next time, keep learning with purpose.